Question: are you an imposter? Hey everybody, it's Ravine from See You Soon, and I am here at Grant Cardone's 10X Leadership Workshop, which is wonderful, by the way. I learned so much today, but there was a topic that came up, and I thought I'd share it with you, and it's about imposter syndrome. And the question is, have you ever gone out or been afraid to talk to people or socialize because maybe you felt like a bit of an imposter? Brandon Dawson, who is one of the principals here at 10X 360, he made an incredible point, which is that you can never be an imposter if you are being your true self, your genuine self, that you are not lying about who you are. As long as you are being authentic, you can never be an imposter. So I thought that was really great. I'm curious what you guys think. Drop a comment if you have an opinion on this issue of imposter syndrome. Also, if you can, give a like and a follow or a subscribe. And yeah, and when we drop See You Soon, you're gonna have plenty of opportunities to present your authentic self. So with that, cheers and see you soon.